Okay, fine. Since you want this recorded so bad. I'm trying to figure out my typewriter. Because this thing doesn't do what it's supposed to. It's supposed to go over here. But that does things. Spacebar holds it. I don't know why. I'm looking to try and figure out what the fucking spacebar does, so I can use that to reverse engineer what the hell it's supposed to be doing. But obviously I can't do that without either taking this thing apart or apparently pretending this cosplaying a car mechanic with a typewriter. Which was not how I expected to spend my Tuesday. I don't know who I'm talking to. Like, this is going to be sent to somebody. Well, I know who I'm probably talking to, because I'm going to send this to people. But, like, what the fuck do you do? It's gonna dodge dust. If this thing literally does just need to be cleaned, I'm going to be so pissed. What in God's name does that hit? There's something right here that's being clicked by that. What are you? And what are you doing? Okay, so that's... all of this does things. That... yeah, I don't fucking know. I have no idea. Oh, I have better ideas, but they're still stupid.